Ever tried splitting the bill with international friends? Have you ever been on a trip with a group of friends, and at the end, it turns into a chaotic mess trying to figure out who owes what? Maybe you covered dinner in euros, but your friend from Canada paid for the taxi in CAD. Exchanging currencies and calculating fair splits can be a nightmare, especially if some people only have cash. Well, what if I told you there's an app that can solve all your international money woes? Welcome to the wonderful world of Monese. It's a mobile banking app that lets you manage multiple currencies, send and receive money internationally with ease, and forget about those pesky foreign transaction fees. But with all this functionality, a question might pop up. How exactly do you send money to someone's Monese account? Don't worry, that's what this video is all about. We'll break down the entire process, step by step, so you can be a money transfer whiz in no time. First things first, you'll need to have the Monese app yourself. If you haven't already, download it on your phone and get signed up. The process is super quick and easy. Once you're all set up and ready to roll, let's get to the money sending action. There are actually two main ways to send money to a Monese account. Method 1, sending to someone already in your contacts. This is the simpler method, perfect for splitting bills with friends or sending money to family who also use Monese. Open the Monese app and navigate to the home screen. Look for the pay option at the bottom of your screen. It usually looks like an icon with an arrow pointing outwards. Once you tap pay, you'll likely see a list of your recent contacts who also have Monese accounts. This is super convenient because it saves you time searching for their info. If the person you want to send money to is on this list, simply tap on their name. The app will then prompt you to enter the amount you want to send. Easy enough, right? Here's where things get interesting. Since Monese allows you to hold multiple currencies, you can choose which currency you want to send the money in. This is particularly useful if you're sending money to someone in a different country. If you want to add a reference for the payment, like dinner at Mama Luigi's, you can do so in this step. Finally, just follow the on-screen instructions to approve the payment. This might involve a fingerprint scan or entering your Monese PIN. Method 2, sending to someone not in your contacts. Maybe you need to send money to a new acquaintance you met abroad, or perhaps you're paying a freelancer who doesn't use Monese yet. No problem. The app has you covered. Just like before, open the Monese app and head to the home screen. Tap on the pay option at the bottom. This time, instead of selecting someone from your contacts, look for the option that says New Payment. It might be a button with a plus sign, plus symbol, or something similar. Once you tap New Payment, the app will ask you for the recipient's information. This includes their name, the amount you want to send, and most importantly, their bank account details. Here's a crucial tip. Make sure you double-check the bank account information before confirming the payment. A typo can lead to a whole lot of hassle. Similar to sending money to a contact, you can choose the sending currency and add a reference for the payment. Finally, review all the details and follow the on-screen instructions to approve the payment. There you have it. Sending money through Monese is a breeze, whether you're dealing with friends, family, or even international business partners. With its user-friendly interface and multiple currency options, Monese takes the stress out of international money transfers. So next time you're splitting a bill with friends from all over the globe, you'll know exactly what to do. Remember, Monese is just one of many money transfer apps available. Do your research and choose the one that best suits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.